Hello guys, in this video I am going to share with you how to use psych option robot. First of all, need to understand market. See that this market you cannot use anything robot or anything don't work this market because of candlestick move is bad with candlestick all is pin bar. That's why don't try to trade with this market. Only follow the good market, then you can find out go to win rate with psych option robot. It's only $60. This group member is smart earning BD group member. Now I'll show you how to use this robot. First of all, open the robot, then select your currency pair, then select your minute. I think 1 minute is best for this robot. Then see the purpose time. When you see purpose time is at 5 seconds or 2 seconds, then give a trade. Before don't same this position don't need to trade. When you see purpose time 2 seconds, then 2 seconds or 5 seconds, then give a trade, then it will be good result. First of all, need to understand market. Earning percentage is this one. Profit percentage is earning percentage. This video I made for help member because lots of member buy this robot, but how to work don't know. That's why I just make for help. I don't suggest you for buy this robot. I don't told you. I just this video make for member help and also member buy with another person with high price. I sell it with low rate. If you want to buy, then you can buy it. Maybe this position for signal would be better. Check it 7-9. Oh, already my crease is down. Yes. Oh, miss this signal. This one is put, but I will try another. When you see candle move is very fast. Don't need to trade with another. Just try to understand candle position. Without don't understand market, you cannot make profit any robot any for anything. First need to understand market. Okay, I wait for another signal. Profit is 7-9. Maybe call signal is better. I think yes. I give a trade with this position because this position good for call signal. Then the robot told call signal. That's why I give a trade in this position. Maybe it will be right here. Okay, just wait and see. Oh, market candle move is very bad. Yeah, this one is item because my identify was market go to ups in this position and robot told to call, then it's help for trade call, then that's why I give a call trade. Otherwise I don't need trade with call. Okay, I wait for another signal. Just wait. See this position was called was good. Percentage 7-9. Then clicks in this position. 12 for port. Oh, this minute is over. That's why I don't take this position. I check is another 7-9. Okay. First need to understand candle position. Okay, 7-9. Since this position port, I think this position port for the signal is good. Let's say give a port secret. Okay, okay, we can see. First, need to understand market. Without market understand, don't make profit with anything. And this video I make only for help. Don't uh, for anything, just help. If you want to buy with low price, then you can buy from me. See this one help you for trade. But 100% it I don't told you. This one. Oh, on G. It is spot signal. My thing was good with robot told me what. That's why this one is item. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy, then you can contact personal or you can download with direct link. Video description link will be available.